Hello everyone and welcome to a new HyperWorks tutorial. Today we will repair topology and create a mid-surface. To begin, go into File, Open, HyperMesh Model, and browse to the file associated with this exercise. In the dialog that appears, change the solver interface as requested. In the View toolbar, select Repair View. Use Topology Visualization. In the Geometry ribbon, go to the Edit group and select Stitch. Repair the following feature by clicking the right point and then the left point. Repair this other feature by dragging the second line to the first line. In the View toolbar, select Toggle Edges View. Select Stitch once again. Select the edge and see the color change to green. In the View toolbar, select Repair View. In the Geometry ribbon, in the Cleanup group, select Defeature and Batch. Open the Options menu and review the parameter editor. Uncheck 2D hole recognition, flange recognition, remove edge fillets, and surface fillet recognition. Select the surfaces shown here and press Auto Cleanup. In the View toolbar, select Surf Creation View. In the Geometry ribbon, under the Create group, select Surfaces, Patch, and click on Find and the green check mark to patch. In the Geometry ribbon, in the Create group, select Solids, Bounding, click on Find, and Create All. Now, in the Geometry ribbon, go to Mid Surfaces, Automatic, select the solid, and keeping the options as they are, click on Mid Surface. Review the mid surface extracted and the original geometry. Now, in the Geometry ribbon and Mid-Surfaces, go to Edit Plates. To follow the curvature of the geometry, one of the plates should be changed to Sweep. Select the plate and click on Sweep from the micro dialog. And now update mid-surface. Exit from Edit Plates and review the updated mid-surface.